Drenched in mystery and draped in enigma, India beckons the adventurous and the curious alike. Hidden amidst its vast landscapes are secrets waiting to be uncovered, tales yearning to be told. Allow me to whisk you away on a journey through some of the most spectacular and mysterious places India has to offer, where every corner holds a new surprise, and every moment might just alter your perception of the world. Our adventure begins in the dense and lush jungles of the Sundarbans, where the earth whispers secrets of survival and resilience. This vast mangrove forest is shrouded in the misty breath of rivers meeting the sea, and home to the elusive Bengal tiger. Navigating these waters in a small boat, one can't help but feel the thrill of the unknown. Each rustle in the undergrowth could be a monitor lizard or a deer, but the real suspense lies in the glowing eyes that might be lurking just beyond the next turn, watching silently. From the tangled greenery of the Sundarbans, our quest for mystery takes us to the windswept deserts of Rajasthan, to the ancient city of Jaisalmer. Here, the Golden Fort rises like a mirage from the sands, its yellow sandstone walls holding secrets of the Silk Road. Venture into the narrow lanes, and you might stumble upon legends of royal treacheries and hidden treasures still buried beneath the royal palaces. As the sun sets, casting a fiery glow over the desert, listen to the haunting tunes of a local musician, his songs filled with stories of lost lovers and ghostly caravans disappearing into sandstorms. The journey doesn't end here. Far south, amidst the western Ghats, lies the mysterious town of Gokarna. Known for its serene beaches and sacred temples, Gokarna holds a more secretive allure. It is said that the beaches here are not just sands and waves but doorways to another world. Late at night, under a star-lit sky, it's whispered that one can hear the sound of ancient chants drifting across the breeze, a reminder of a spiritual world that once flourished here. Finally, our trail of suspense leads us to the northeastern state of Meghalaya, aptly named the Abode of Clouds. Here, amidst a sea of clouds are the living root bridges, an astonishing example of human ingenuity and nature's wonders. These bridges, woven from the roots of giant rubber trees, seem like they belong in the pages of a fantasy novel. Walking across one, suspended above a roaring river, feels like stepping onto a pathway to an undiscovered world. But the true suspense lies in what lies beneath the thick mists, villages and cultures almost untouched by time, where ancient rituals and ways of life continue unseen by the rest of the world. This journey through India is more than just a visit to places, it's an exploration into the heart of mysteries that have withstood the test of time. From the roaring tigers of Sundarbans to the silent songs of Gokarna, each destination leaves you with more questions than answers, more wonder than before. So, if your soul seeks adventure and your heart thrills at the unknown, pack your bags and set forth. India awaits, and its secrets are yours to discover. Remember to subscribe for more.